In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find lost Android phone using Google account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Google account attributed to an Android phone, you can easily pinpoint its exact location. So this will be done by a service provided by Google. So all that you have to do is open a web browser on any device. It doesn't have to be the one that you want to locate, obviously. And then look for Find My Phone on Google. The first result should be from myaccount.google.com. If you see Find Hub, it is essentially the same thing, so just access an official Google website. Make sure to double check the URL, don't go to any imitations, and when you find yourself on the Google account page, sign in to start. So you will see this message, lost your phone, try some simple steps. So sign in to start, and sign in with the Google account that was attributed to that lost device. Once you properly sign into your Google account, you might see various different devices. So if you would use the same account on mobile devices, you have to choose a specific one and the last known location will be shown. If you accept the location permissions that the Find Hub is going to ask for, then it is going to give you the exact location on the map. You will see the last Wi-Fi network that it connected to, the battery percentages, and when it was last seen. You can choose the option to play a sound, so Google will play a notification sound that might help you pinpoint the exact location if you are near it, so if it is located inside your house, inside your apartment. You can secure the device, so if you believe that it was stolen, you can remotely lock it, so whoever stole it cannot do anything related to your information, accessing the files and so on, and overall it is an easy to use service. So go into Find Hub, sign into your account, and you will be able to pinpoint the location of any Android device while you signed in using this particular Google account. Now, before I end this video, if this video helped you locate your lost Android phone using your Google account, consider subscribing. When I looked at the channel metrics the other day, I saw that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, including this answer related to Google accounts. So, I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.